Where are we at?
Wires. Does it say plus and minus coming out of the rocket? Yep.
Okay, don't look it straight out at the thing.
Whoa! Where is it? That's cool as! Here he comes!
Get under a tree!
That is so cool! He's gonna catch it! I've lost it! Well, I see it again.
Let's see that in an instant replay.
$500 meters is still in one piece. I think it's gonna be fine.
What's he called?
It doesn't have a name. Should we make a name for it?
The first one was Simdog 1. This must be Simdog 2.
With a payload of an orange streamer.
We need to get Simdog 4.0 because that's my name. On PlayStation, I need another launch.
Rocket.
No, a failed launch counts as one and it has to be renamed. So we've started on 2 and then we've got 3 and 4 to come. If you do try and catch it, try not to break the wings. It's going to come this way.
Don't try and catch it, you'll hurt yourself.
Are we ready?
Yeah, right.
Okay, go on. Someone give me a countdown. 10,
9, 8.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here it comes.
Let's see that in an instant replay.
3, 2, 1, launch. This is great.
I would have gone with the igniter stuffed. I would have been wrong!
It's going to come back to us. If we stand here, we'll probably get it.
No, I reckon it'll go a lot further.
Alright.
I see
Can
it!
you there?
Let's see that in an instant replay.
So close!
10
I
seconds of
was going
falling.
to jump the fence, but I wasn't the high jump champion in high school, so I decided against it.
Epic. And she's still good to go?
Good to go.
I'm saying, no, next time I think we should do 3 rock. We should get 3 of them. Yeah.
All at once.
Tape it together to make one big rocket with 3 engines.